What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm with my aunt and my sister, and we about to do a crab mukbang. Y'all see these? Okay, y'all see them? So without further ado, let's get into it. Yeah. Only you want to tell them what you got?
These are Dungeness crabs right here, seasoned with garlic butter sauce, Old Bay seasoning.
Yeah.
I have the same thing, just with extra seasoning.
Butter sauce right here.
Oh yeah, we got our butter sauce. I would dip it over the sugar, but I ain't gonna do that. It's gonna make a mess.
That's good. And butter sauce is good.
I ain't even opened mine yet. Hold on.
What's waiting on?
I don't know. I got Dungeness crabs and Alaskan or snow crabs. No, it was snow crabs. They ain't trying to come out that bag.
That's really good.
You're supposed to be ready.
What is this?
You gotta edit that out.
I'm not editing nothing out.
Look at all that. The butter sauce. The lemon.
I'm gonna try that.
Oh my god.
That's it.
That's good.
If y'all don't know us, we is just some crab eaters. This is what we do on a daily.
We love
We
crabs.
sit and eat crabs. It's like a family thing, you know?
We usually have beer.
Or blue crabs. That's what our like main thing to eat is, blue crabs. But we don't have no blue crabs today. We just had a craving for them, so we like, let's go pick up some Dungeness.
Yes. So anybody watch that show on Netflix called You? Somebody's up. Somebody's up.
I
put my foot in that butter sauce.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
I still ain't tried it with the lemon yet. I'm gonna try and eat.
I told Maya don't come down and stop shitting. Why she come down anyway?
You gotta stop it if you do.
Okay.
I put my foot on the gas, take off. I cannot let the boys pass me. No, these crabs is good.
You really like it with the lemon?
I'm trying it. Just put a little bit on my tongue.
That's all you need to, just a little bit.
Oop, I don't know how to do this. Okay, all right.
Just
Oop.
squeeze it.
Okay.
Take that right there. All that's meat right there. Take that lemon. Just squeeze it right on top.
I like that. That's good. Hold on.
It's real good.
It's like
Refreshing, like.
yeah, like, I can't explain it. Y'all just gotta try it.
I love crabs.
You see how these had that crunch to the shell, unlike what's it called, 16th Street?
Mine be having crunch. I don't know about yours.
They don't
Your
give
crabs
me
look sick.
that freshness.
But on these, that show you is oh my god, that lemon is hitting.
Oh my god, try it with the lemon. Lemon and some butter.
That show you was good. You got me into that. I sat and watched that whole.
Doesn't it good?
That
Oh my
whole
god,
thing.
that was so good.
I can't wait for season 2 to come out. I hope they make a season 2 today.
It's supposed to be. It was so good. Wasn't he crazy?
Oh, he's
I don't want
locking
nobody in love like that with me.
Lemon, please.
He locked that girl right in the basement.
I don't want nobody in love with me like that.
I don't even think that was love.
For real.
Why you say
No reason.
Seriously, that was crazy.
That was, I'm crazy. And I'm gonna let you know it.
It do give a nice tangy.
That's right with that butter. This is all meat, y'all. All this is
Look
meat.
at that.
I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is all meat. Butter. She done hooked this butter sauce up so good.
If you eating crabs without butter sauce, you ain't eating them right. Let me know right now.
Definitely not. This is like really a lot of seasoning in the bag.
Yeah, he did it just right.
I'm telling you.
You
I'm trying to stop my acting.
Oh, you said that's how you stop?
Because they know how to, the guy that I used to go say acne, he could season some food. But now he's gone.
Oh, he going?
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna be nice and drunk.
You ever seen that
Help
show?
me go to sleep. Take a nice shower. Get under that AC.
Victoria?
After I eat these delicious crabs.
You ever seen that show? You ever seen that show?
Girl, you know I don't watch TV.
It's a
It's
Netflix show.
It's worth watching though.
I know y'all making me want to try it. Let me see.
It's worth it.
You need to watch.
It's worth trying.
This right here with this lemon. Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Look at that. Drip, drip, drip. That's all you need. You don't even need too much.
I know.
If you try to overdo it, it ain't gonna taste right. All you need is a quick drip, drip. Look at this.
And we need an L. That's what we really do need right now.
Oh yeah. Whoop. Tastes so good.
I'm ready to go get me some right now.
This is definitely an eat outside food. Like, one nice day we gotta go back and get somewhere. Maybe this weekend.
Okay.
What days you got to? What's it called?
What work?
The Airbnb.
Oh, that's not till 2 weeks from now.
Oh, okay, so you can do it this weekend.
Yeah. Airbnb vlog coming
It's
soon.
nice outside.
Yeah, because rain messed up everything. It's raining today, y'all, but we still got them.
Yeah.
Still got them. But, yeah, that show you is good, though. I keep bringing that up. But you need to watch, what's the name? Unleash, what's the name of that show I told you to watch and you was like, you already watching it?
Was it the one with the football players?
American.
I didn't finish that season. The season though.
What you mean?
No, this really hit the spot. This tastes better than 16th Street here.
Why didn't you finish it, Unleash?
What? Oh, because I had started watching this other show. Now this show is about I forget what it's called. Basically, they making a deal. This girl makes a deal because she wants to be. She wants to open up this big bio research company because she knows how to cure this type of cancer. But in order for her to make it happen, she makes a deal with this multi-billion-dollar woman who owns, a lot, and she bargains her husband for a night for, her company, and in the contract he can't discuss what happens
With his wife?
No, he can't discuss what happened with the girl that night to the wife. Otherwise, she'll lose everything. So I'm getting into that. But now I want something else. I want you to come back. I do. Because I used to love She's Gotta Have It, but it's just too much going on now.
The ending of You.
I know. I was mad. If y'all never watched it,
go watch it. We ain't gonna say what happened at the end because we don't want to do no spoilers. But it is a good show. So
it's like how?
Why?
The little boy made me mad. When he opened the door for her. She like, oh, little boy, you gonna get yours.
He probably was just in his head like he got her down there for a reason. Or he done saved me from so much. Right. I owe him. I ain't snitching. I ain't about to help you either.
Yeah, that's true.
Y'all, look at that.
piece of meat.
Oh,
Get that good old butter sauce in there. Drip, drippity drip. See that drip? Little lemon.
And these crabs not even like, they're not dry. They got juice in them. By the way, we got our crabs from Fresh Grocery. Yeah, we got them steamed there. The guy really knew what he was doing. I'm gonna give him his credit.
He did everything.
Where that location at? Lee? What's the location of that?
Do they really need that? Second.
So they can get their crabs. I promote everybody.
They can just go to Fresh Grocery.
I think they're gonna taste like this though.
Well, our butter sauce also is making it taste really flavorful.
That's true too.
So good.
That.
You know they good because we quiet.
I'm all like,
We
dang,
so
I want to talk about
quiet.
something, but can't.
I know.
But you really do need to watch that football show too. That's a good show.
I need to sit down and watch TV, period, but I feel like I really don't have time.
Yes, you do. You have more time than you think you do. I feel like most of your time is on Instagram.
Is there really?
I feel like watching TV is bad, but at the same time, it get me off of Instagram for a couple hours.
Do y'all ever think y'all need a detox from social media?
Yes.
Okay.
All the time.
Yeah, all the time. I'll be ready to deactivate myself every other day. I keep saying I'm going to, but I keep having hair and makeup to do.
Right.
And nobody has another way to contact me.
Right. That's the only thing about it is it's like a sweet and sour type of thing.
Especially when you're running the business off of it.
Yeah.
Me, it's just like, I'll be so bored. I ain't got nothing else to do. Get on Instagram. After work, it's like, what am I supposed to do?
But that's why I like leaving my phone like somewhere else. Like all right, when we go outside,
Leaving
leaving
the
your
house.
phone in the house so that you're not just sitting there in it, like actually socializing in. Cause
But you can have your phone outside. You could just be like playing music and stuff.
yeah, true, but
it's still not me in your hand.
yeah, cause you might be tempted to like check a text message.
Yeah, that's true.
That's why my phone, what I did, I set up this thing. It's called bedtime mode. It goes on do not disturb after 9 o'clock. So, because I needed to start getting a full 8 hours of sleep. Because I be grumpy. In the morning, I ain't get that 8 hours. Attitude. I ain't even want to go to work today.
But see, me, I be keeping my phone on do not disturb a lot, only because like, even though I could just choose like not to answer while I let my phone ring, I like to just look at my call log and see who I'm going to call back.
Okay.
Like, because sometimes I even feel like talking or
Right.
Y'all see that?
That was good.
Oh. I'm gonna zoom in on my face because that was funny. Look at that. And I'm gonna dip it again.
You want your second cluster yet?
Hey. I found another broken piece. Because I was upset. I was to say, I seen this, so I put my pieces in there.
I like to
It's
let
like
it
the claw.
stick too.
The claw meat to me is like a little sweeter.
It is.
I just realized that.
But that's not
Maybe
bad,
that
though.
red stuff though.
I don't feel like that's bad. I feel like it tastes good.
But that's why I don't like snow crabs though, because it's like sweet.
Oh, you don't like the sweet? That's why my mommy started getting female crabs.
That's why, because you like the sweetness. And they are sweet, but I don't. I like the male crabs.
Female,
And I feel like the females
They're
is
so
too much to
little.
clean out.
Yeah.
yeah, I feel like they meat gets stuck inside way more. Like you have to open up the crab in order to get the meat out.
Oh,
Like you know how with some males you could just pull a leg and all that
Mm-hmm.
meat come out. With the females you can't do that.
Yeah, I was watching a video yesterday of a man putting crabs in a pot, right? And he was throwing the crabs, like throwing them and yelling at them and cursing at them and stuff. And somebody responded to it on Twitter, like, it's still, you know, an animal. It
Oh,
feels
God.
things. And I'm just like, wow. Like,
People are so sensitive. Jesus.
but I was thinking about, like, look, your eyes are now being submerged into beer and cayenne pepper. I know that's a horrible death.
Yeah, I be thinking about that too.
You are
When mommy
dying
be
a
putting
horrible death.
When mommy be putting the crabs into the
And
pot, I be
lemon.
like, wow.
Them eyes is sizzling. Okay, your organs is frying, like, and that hot water, that hot pot. That ain't right. But guess what? I'm gonna eat these crabs anyway.
Say, ain't that so?
I mean, I thought about that today while I was eating chicken, and I was on the tip, and I'm like, this is a wing of a bird.
I'm just sitting here eating it too.
I was
Enjoying
like,
that.
and then I seen a feather.
Oh.
I was like, oh,
Oh, I hate when that happens.
I'm just gonna feed this to the dog.
I hate when that happens.
But no,
Oh,
today
that
I
is
seen
so
I'm serious. We just went to the store and asked for
Correa,
fortune cookies.
come on.
I ain't had no.
Is you gonna edit this video?
You could just cut it.
Yeah, but you keep talking about it. I'm gonna have to cut a lot.
All right, I'm done. All right.
We sorry for that, y'all. People ain't got no manners.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
This is why I can't be no YouTubers now.
So does anybody feel like those Avenger movies
I'll leave.
What?
have anything to do with real life?
I think all movies do.
I
Like,
don't.
do you think that there's children out here who has those abilities but are being hidden and, you know, places that are for, you know, higher power usage only?
I don't.
I think that more so is about seeking the higher power that's within ourselves.
Okay, gotcha.
Like, we really don't know how powerful we really, really are.
I'm still stuck on the fact that it said that we only use 10% of our brain.
Okay, wake up.
Why? Why can't we use the rest of that? What's going on?
I think you use it in different ways. It depends on what you're doing, though.
Yeah, but what
Like,
else
you have
can
to
we
be
really do?
exercising your mind, yeah. But you have
What
to find out what it
activates
is,
it?
though.
Yeah.
Like, when you're playing a game or something, it might be
Right.
a certain part that you're using.
Yeah. Who knows?
And at least I'm still stuck on that story that you told me. You know what I'm talking about? I don't want to say it 'cause I don't want this video to get deleted.
Okay, then. All we know is the live stream going on. That's all I do. But let's talk about men's then.
You said men's. I ain't got much to say about
Like
them.
celebrities.
I ain't got much to say about them.
Do you think that we would be married already if we were in our grandparents' time versus if we were now in
I
this
think
time?
so. I honestly think so.
I do. I really do. I think we would be married with children.
Yeah, because I think it was more traditional
Right.
back then.
You
Yeah.
know?
Yeah. I mean, shoot, Mom Katie packed all these kids. Imagine having 9 kids in a house this
Yeah,
size.
I know, girl.
9 kids.
She did it.
I done lost.
Where did you put them at?
I don't know. I think so.
But
I can't believe my phone is still recording this long.
I know, and it's been 21 minutes. I'm talking about some 24.
How you want to get it to the
Wow.
to the computer?
I airdropped it.
AirDrop it to the laptop?
Mm-hmm.
You did it from your phone too?
Mm-hmm.
I feel like my AirDrop hasn't been working from my phone.
Ooh, what's that? Y'all airdrop.
It's like Bluetooth.
Mm-hmm.
There's so many new technology words and jargon.
Yeah.
I mean, I still have Bluetooth, but Bluetooth is not how Bluetooth used to be back in the day.
Yeah, because our phones, the type of phones we have though.
I remember when Aisha said to me, Bluetooth me some music.
Oh yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do that no more.
Why?
Gotta pay for it.
Wow. It's like all the stuff that used to be free, they charge now.
You know, LimeWire. You know how you
I mean,
you,
they still have stuff like that.
like LimeWire.
Yeah.
No, but what I'm saying is, all right, we used to burn CDs to listen to music in the car, but now the cars don't have CD and
They got aux.
yeah.
Aux
But
cords.
which means that you have to play from your phone,
Right.
Which means that you're going to be listening to commercials either way, whether you listen to the radio
Yeah.
or from your phone, unless you're paying for your music.
Programming, baby. How great is that?
So.
This is one irritating. I ain't gonna say it on my video. But I almost said it. Don't have no kids, people.
Y'all, these crabs really hitting. They hitting. Like smacking. They hitting. I graduated on my way to
Congratulations.
I was so hyped. Oh my god, I didn't do a graduation vlog. But that's because I was just too busy trying to party. Not even gonna lie.
Did you party yet?
Yeah, I went to.
Where you party at?
That wasn't really partying.
I mean,
She
it was
hasn't
something
partied
for
yet.
me. I don't. I was gonna go to a nightclub, but
Which one?
something like
Oh, Lux.
No, it's called Teasers.
Caesars. Oh, I heard them before. What do they do? Where they at?
North Philly.
Yeah.
Well, for my birthday, which is next month, we gotta figure something out where we all can go.
Yeah.
Sit on it.
You ain't going there though. I definitely ain't going there. Might try to end up there too.
Having a good old time.
Like, yep. Drinks free.
Just as long as they got a DJ, I can get lit in there.
I wish I could have a party.
I just can't
You
get
can?
jiggy with the jukebox.
I don't feel like doing all that.
Why not?
They
Oh,
don't got nobody really invited.
my aunt been selling her kebabs, y'all.
The girl with the grill. Follow her on Instagram.
And they hitting too. Oh my god, I love the shrimp. And the chicken is good
Kebabs.
too.
That's the specialty.
I ain't never had a beef though. I ain't had a beef yet.
The kebabs is the specialty, guys.
Yeah.
So if you in Philly,
And you want some? Look up on Instagram. She do pre-orders too.
pre-orders.
So you looking for something good to eat? Hit up. And they only $2.
That's it.
$2.
Per kebab. That's all.
What they do that? You don't know that. You get
Delicious.
good food, home cooked.
Okay. Literally.
What else could you ask for? Good seasoning. You know, a lot of people out here don't know
But
how
the
to season.
best secret barbecue sauce. The best. It's a secret.
And butter sauce too.
Yes, and the butter sauce too.
Oh yeah, on top of the shrimp kebabs.
Or the beef kebabs too.
Oh yeah. Do the butter sauce for the beef too.
You good?
Yes, tickles on there.
That's so good.
That butter garlic sauce. It's all a secret. Wait, it's just a secret. Everything's a secret. You know?
Check me out, guys. You won't be disappointed.
So, let's talk about how Terrain got all these connects and I still haven't been to the studio.
Next topic.
Because I'm trying to get into the studio.
I'm so low key.
Oh,
She sounds so okay.
I don't want people know who I know.
oh okay. She know all the peoples.
Is that my hair sticking on the pink thing?
That's
Oh.
the pink thing.
Oh.
Can you smoke on this channel?
Hmm.
Can I smoke on this channel? Okay.
We outside with it. Honey,
Huh?
I said we outside with it.
We in the kitchen. It's cold outside. Oh, no, it ain't. I'm talking about it's warm. Yeah. Outside. I'm thinking about them daggone flies. I hate bugs, y'all. I don't care what they is. I hate them all.
I'm trying to be nice and drunk sleepy.
She said drunk, sleepy guys.
I bet you get some good sleep when you're drunk.
Sometimes you don't.
Why you say that?
You can't be too drunk.
So, like, how do you sleep?
You be like your body feels still intoxicated.
Okay.
While you sleeping, so you feel like
Just
yeah.
While you sleep?
Like you know how like if your blood rushing to your hands, you feel that like all throughout your body while you while you sleeping.
How you sleep?
Like you know how like when your feet fall asleep, it's not that exact feeling, but you feel like I don't know, some type of tingling sensation. So it don't be the best sleep, especially if you waking up throwing up.
You done?
I finished my 2.
You did?
Yes, I did. I tore them things right up. And now I'm about to go to my 1. Oh, yeah, I thought it was over. Oh, no. I can't get this one open because my hands are slippery.
Not bad.
I was trying to pull a prank on somebody, y'all. Straight up backfired.
Dang.
So we gonna go to another prank. Cause don't be trying to think. Cause like I know in the beginning of my channel I said I was gonna do pranks. Cause that's what I really want to do. Cause I'm goofy. And let y'all know this now. I'm real goofy. But that prank didn't work. So we're just gonna move on to the next one. Because
You try pranking mommy?
no, she cursed. She don't curse. She just her reactions be annoying. Not even funny. It just be annoying. Ooh, what's this?
A skinny thing?
Alright. Hateration. Coming over here.
I ain't hating on that.
Might as well get into a
sweet.
video too.
That is so sweet. That is really sweet.
And you gotta edit out that last. That is really sweet too.
You just gonna hope she talking about the crabs or something. That's too much editing for me. I don't even like editing my own videos.
But you better get into the habit of it.
No, because I be trying to make stuff that I could just straight up
Post.
yup.
I don't edit my videos either when I post. I be like this.
Woo! I'm turning 25 this year.
Ooh, God.
Pour the water.
God.
I want to have a party.
Terry, have a party, please. I want somebody to have a party so I can go
Have a
to
party?
it. I haven't been to no parties.
Like a party. Like
I ain't know
bomb
Onyx
party.
closed down.
yeah, they've been closed down for a minute.
Why?
Are you going to do it, Ryan?
What?
You have a party?
I really want to have a party.
Please have one, Ryan. So we can go. Because I need to go to a party.
Right.
Let's go.
I'm trying to come out on a somebody carrying me.
Huh?
I'm trying to come out with somebody carrying me. Like
Oh, you trying
with 4 people carrying me.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Ooh. Didn't like how that looked.
Can you have a party at your salon?
Nah, I wouldn't have it there.
Oh, okay.
You want something with like the lights and stuff.
Just a higher ceiling, mainly.
Oh yeah, cause
It's a basement, so.
if somebody come in, boop, head.
Yeah, especially for a tall person.
I think Teray, you would have a nice turnout.
What? Baby girl. I gotta make it something like
I got one more left. I'm gonna give it to my daughter. Cause she's upstairs waiting to get some.
That's how good this crabs is.
I gotta make it like something where people want to get dressed for it though.
Oh, okay. You want something like that?
But I don't
Like
want.
dressy?
Yeah, but I don't want people to be too dressy to where they feel like they can't have fun though.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know,
Like
cause
it's like a grown and sexy.
yeah.
You could remember that last time you had that birthday party for what's her name? Girl,
That same place.
you could do it there.
It gets too
But-
hot in here though.
It wasn't hot in there to me.
It was hot in here to me.
That's because you was running around though.
I'm talking about with alcohol too. Would be too hot.
It wasn't hot.
Well, if you do that,
33.
We gotta talk about this off camera.
okay. 33, 40.
30, 40, what was the other one? 20 something.
Sorry.
Leave it up to me.
Shut up.
I'm gonna shut my mouth.
I'm leaving that in there.
Ooh. The Jamaican air horn. You know about that?
Nope,
You should, because you're Jamaican. You're
Shut
so
up.
fake. You're a fake Jamaican.
I'm not. How can you be fake Jamaican?
You don't even like Jamaican food.
Yes, I do.
What? Just jerk chicken. That's all you like.
And rice and beans.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Do your grandma be making that stuff?
Yeah.
Do you like dumpling?
Yeah, I love dumplings.
I was looking for them dumplings at that thing.
Yeah, I was asking her to make.
She didn't even make none.
She didn't even make no ackee and codfish. I want some
Some
curry.
mhm.
I asked. No, she said she was gonna do it one day, like for breakfast or something.
That's what normally what she do it for.
Yeah, that's why I miss being in Georgia. But now she in North Carolina now, right?
She ain't moved it yet.
So she got money.
I know. 'Cause that
She
that
got
house
money.
alone is money.
Yes, she has a whole house in North Carolina, at least that she's not living in.
Can I get a napkin?
But she has a house in Georgia.
But
that
she
she
living
living in.
out. And I
Yeah,
think
she
she's
do.
selling it too. That's probably what she's waiting for.
What, to sell it?
Look at that crab pile. If your crab pile don't look like that, you ain't eating them right.
Okay.
Oh, mine don't look like that.
That's because it's a combination of me and Alicia.
Oh. Let me put mine on the side. Woo! It's so smiley. Ah! I ain't gonna say it. Please.
No, you're doing too much now. That's too many edits. You're doing too
I'm
much.
sorry, I can't help it.
All right, well, get out.
Aw. That's so sweet.
I can't help it.
Shouldn't have put you on the video.
You shouldn't have. I'm the wrong one.
I'm not editing it out.
I'm almost finished. After this last crab leg, I'm
I
out.
am too.
All I got is this left, y'all. These crabs were bomb, okay? Thank you for featuring me on your mukbang.
All right, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow her on Instagram at
The girl with the grill.
and
me?
her on Instagram at
Taraya McQueen. She'll have to write it. It'll be like below there because it's my full name and I'm not spelling it out. Okay, it's TEREA.
All right, everybody. We out.